Have you ever wondered why the heart is often depicted as the seat of emotions and spiritual experiences? Across cultures, across religions, the heart has long been revered as more than just a physiological necessity. It's seen as the epicenter of our feelings, our spirit, our very essence. This humble organ, pumping life-giving blood throughout our bodies, is also considered the compass guiding us through the labyrinth of life. Its journey is a mirror of our own, a reflection of our triumphs, our sorrows, our dreams. It braves the tumultuous seas of love and loss, of joy and pain. It is resilient, capable of enduring the harshest storms, and yet it remains ever open, ever willing to give and receive love and compassion. The heart's journey is a testament to the human spirit's tenacity and capacity for love. It is a journey that we all embark on, consciously or not. The heart is not just a physical organ, but a spiritual vessel guiding us through life's ups and downs. But what happens when the heart becomes a slave to its own emotions and desires? When it is chained by the expectations of the world? Consider this for a moment. The heart, the very essence of who we are, can become shackled. It's a captivity not forced upon us, but one we willingly step into. We let our emotions take the reins, allowing them to drive us, often blindly, down paths of heartbreak and disappointment. And it's not just emotions, but desires and expectations that bind us. We want so much from life, and when it doesn't deliver, the heart takes the fall. It bears the burden of unmet expectations, the weight of desires unfulfilled. This is the heart's slavery, a cycle of hope and disappointment, of joy and sorrow. Yet, amidst this cycle, there's a yearning for liberation, for breaking free from the chains of emotional servitude. Because even when the heart is bound, it longs for freedom. How can the heart break free from these chains? How can it rise above the distractions of the world? These are the questions that often linger in our minds. The key is detachment. Detachment from worldly distractions doesn't mean turning a blind eye to life's pleasures. Rather, it's about not letting them control your feelings and emotions. Imagine a world where you're not enslaved by your own expectations, where your heart isn't shackled by societal norms. This is the power of detachment. It enables your heart to stay true to itself, to its own rhythm, without the noise of the outside world. Now, how can we achieve this detachment? The answer lies within our own selves. It's about introspection, self-awareness. It's about understanding your emotions, your desires, your fears. It's about knowing yourself better than anyone else ever could. The heart, once free, can truly experience love and loss without losing itself. This is the power of breaking free. This is the journey of the heart. What is the nature of love and loss? How can the heart navigate these experiences without losing itself? Love, in its purest form, is an exhilarating experience, a connection so deep that it transcends the physical realm and touches the soul. But where there is love, there also exists the possibility of loss. Loss can be an abyss of sorrow, a chasm that seems impossible to bridge. Yet the heart can navigate these tumultuous waters without losing its essence. It does so through acceptance and resilience. Acceptance is not about forgetting or dismissing the pain. It's about acknowledging it, embracing it. It's about understanding that love and loss are two sides of the same coin, both integral parts of the human experience. Resilience is the heart's ability to bounce back, to heal from the wounds inflicted by loss. It's the heart's innate strength that allows us to experience love again, despite the scars from past heartbreaks. The heart, though it may experience pain, is capable of finding true happiness. What is true happiness? How can the heart deal with pain? These are questions that often perplex us, leading us on a quest for answers. True happiness, in essence, is not about the absence of pain, but about how we respond to it. It's about acknowledging our pain, yet not allowing it to define us. Pain, like joy, is transient. Just as the sun sets, it also rises. In the same vein, our moments of pain are just as fleeting as our moments of happiness. It's this transient nature of life's moments that make them precious, that lend them their significance. Yet it's crucial to maintain a balanced perspective, to not get lost in the euphoria of happiness, nor to drown in the depths of pain. To understand that both are integral parts of life's journey, shaping us, making us who we are. Even in pain, the heart can find redemption and maintain hope. So let's continue our journey, embracing both happiness and pain. How can the heart find redemption and maintain hope, even in the face of adversity? This question might seem daunting, but the answer lies within the heart's remarkable resilience. The heart, you see, is not just a vessel for love and pain. It is a beacon of hope, a wellspring of redemption. It carries the weight of our experiences, yet it has the capacity to heal and to transform. In the midst of trials, it is easy to lose sight of this. We might feel defeated, downtrodden, but it's crucial to remember that adversity doesn't define us. It refines us. It's a catalyst for growth, for change. It's through challenges that we build strength, that we discover our true selves. So even when it feels like the world is against you, hold on to that hope. Embrace the promise of redemption. Because the heart, no matter how broken, can always be renewed. Every ending is a new beginning. Every heartbreak is an opportunity for renewal. Just as the seasons change in nature, so too does the heart in its journey. The heart's capacity for renewal is one of its most powerful attributes. It's the phoenix of our being, rising from the ashes of heartbreak and disappointment, stronger and more resilient. In every moment there lies an opportunity for transformation. Each breath we take is a chance to begin anew, to let go of the past and embrace the present. It's about understanding that no matter how deep the wounds, the heart can heal. It's about recognizing that even in the midst of pain and loss, there is a seed of hope, a spark of possibility for something better. The heart's journey is not a linear path, but a cyclical one. It's a dance of experiences, emotions, and lessons, constantly evolving, constantly renewing. Remember, the journey of the heart is a journey of constant renewal and transformation. Embrace it.